Finance, finally in plain English. Let's dive into the latest updates to Finglo. First up, we've moved. You can now find us at our brand new home, finglo.app. Next, we're bringing you to the dark side. We've completely overhauled our interface with a sleek, premium dark mode. Whether you're burning the midnight oil or you just prefer the aesthetic, your eyes will thank you as you navigate through fintech jargon. We're also introducing our powerful new FX Markup Tool, designed to help you truly understand how FX and FX spreads work. Foreign exchange can be confusing, but this learning tool breaks down the difference between the buy and sell rates, letting you see exactly how providers calculate their spreads. And because our core mission is to demystify the financial world, we've massively expanded our built-in glossary. We've added 73 brand new Fintech Terms to help you effortlessly cut through the industry jargon. Thanks for watching. Head over to finglo.app and try it out today.